It's down in Laos, the sun shining bright, looking for adventure, ready to ride. Hit up Mad Monkey, they got what you need. Two wheels of freedom, just turn the key. Good tires, engines, purring so clean. Only original parts, you know what I mean. Fully fueled, no worries at all. Let's hit the loop, yeah, we're answering the call. Mad Monkey's got the ride for you. Well maintained and looking brand new. Friendly faces, come on inside. Everybody's welcome, let's go for a ride. Mad Monkey Motorbike Rental, let's hit the road. Through limestone mountains, rivers so blue, caves and waterfalls, yeah, what a view. Twist that throttle, feel the breeze. That kick's magic, riding with ease. Check the brakes, check the lights, yeah, all's right. Full tank, full gear, ready for the flight. No breakdowns, no stress, just good vibes. The best bikes in town, come take a drive. Mad Monkeys got the ride for you. Well maintained and looking brand new. Friendly faces, come on inside. Everybody's welcome, let's go for a ride. Mad Monkey Motorbike Rental, let's hit the road. Sunset's calling, one last stop. Stories to tell at the coffee shop. Met new friends, had the ride of my life. Mad Monkey, yeah, we got it right. Mad Monkey got the ride for you. Well maintained and looking brand new. Friendly faces, come on inside. Everybody's welcome, let's go for a ride. Mad Monkey Motorbike Rental, let's hit the road.